Welcome to our second session. In our first session, we will learn how to draw a quick rectangular tool, then color filling, filling in outline. In today's session, we will learn this quick shape flyout. All these quick shapes, how we will draw all the shapes and their properties with node tool. So for this, I have opened down my file. No. I just click on new. I just click on new button and there is my quick shape file, or I can open from there also. Open, and this is my file quick shape. I open it. These are all the quick shape. I have draw all the shape in this file. So the creation method is, so we have saved the time to create all the object one by one. From this tab you can zoom in your object. From this tab you can minimize. From this you can fit the screen. This is our zoom tool to zoom the object, particular object. This is our hand tool to panning the object. So this is our first object, quick rectangular, in which we have learned the transformation in last class. So today we have just select the rectangular, then go to the node tool. Basically node tool, when you will be select the node tool, you will get this slider. If you will go to the up, the your corner get rounded in the rectangular, and if you will be just decrease or you will go down, the corner will be sculpt. The same thing you will do by there also, and if the value is 0, it's quick rectangular only. Now I just pan for another object, quick circle. You'll just you when you roll over on the tools, it's say its name quick circle in tip box. This is the first. You can make a shape like this, and this is for change the angle like this. You can also change the angle by transformation also, but inbuilt option is there also. You can change the angle, and you can make the pie chart by this. Pie chart is like where the people's, where there is a question, and the answer is these peoples don't know, these people give answer in yes, and some amount people give in no. So this you can easily make the pie chart from this. I will just take my another object. It's a quick polygon. This is the sides of polygon. uh, if you make more number of sides, it's like an circular only, and if you get only 3 sides, it get triangle. I will take 8 sides, and this is the angle. Again you can change the angle of your polygon. Now the next tool is arrow. Quick arrow, the tool's name. This is for the height of arrow. See, the height of arrowhead. This is the head of arrow. This is the thickness. You control by this slider, and this is again for arrowhead. How arrowhead look. See, again the next tool is quick double arrow head. Quick double arrow. Again the 3 sliders with, first is for your arrowheads, second is again for thickness, and this is for again how your arrowhead will look. And our next tool is star, quick star. Again you select the node tool. I will start from this slider, increase the okay fine, I will start from this. How many points do you need in the star? If you will give the gradient color, it's look like the rays. In the next session, or maybe another session, we will make the stars, rays of stars. This is again the radius part of inner level, and it's make again more corner in the star. So this is for the twisting option. You will make twist your star, and this is for inner radius. Fine. So we will move on to our next object. It's donut, quick donut. We'll just pan my document, take the node tool and select the donut and see. From this I can close down the angle of donut, and how much I needed I can take from there. From this is the radius part, inner radius, make it closer also, and from this you can change the angle of your donut. It changes by transform also, I will discuss. Now I'll making fit to screen, and again I will take down the zoom tool and zoom the another object in our toolbox with Terran. Just take the node tool, and by this you can control this line, and from this you can control this line, and this is a shape of timer. With a very easy method you can make the shape of timer by this tool. Just pan for the shield, again quick batch. This is like a shield of you can say awarded toffees in these. The slider is not smooth, but you can get these shapes in this. Fine, we will move on to our next tool. It's an hard shape, basic shape, very basic object. Make it this like this. I think this is very basic object. Hard is a very basic object. Swirls. Take the node tool. This is our quick spiral tool. Swirls, you can say it. From this you can control the number of swirls like this, and by this you can control the number of lines, arms, you can say. Whenever you will go on this, there is total turns is 90, you can increase the turns. By this you can increase or decrease the number of arms in your spiral. Finally move on to our next object, is flower. This is our next object, quick petal look like a flower. Fine, I will start from this slider. From this slider, increase of petals. These are the petals, you can increase down from this slider. From this slider you can increase or decrease the width of petals. By the slider, its inner width, and by this slider you can increase the radius or decrease the radius. Again, it's a very good object, very easy way to make the flower. Just create a line over here, and this will be branch of the flower. Okay, fine, move to our another object, it's zigzag. Seems look like the zigzags also. This is our shape, zigzag. This is our first slider, how many peaks we needed in our zigzag shape. I will take 2 or 3 peaks, 4, it's okay. This is for the bottom one, you don't need the peaks in bottom, you can change the object from this slider. And this is for the top one, the peaks will be no peaks on the top. Very easy way to making down the banner like this. Decrease your zigzag shape, and this is an envelope shape. And now we'll move on to our another object, is similar like zigzag. It's a quick wave. Quick wave, you can adjust the waves, waves like this. This is the number of peaks for the waves, how many waves you needed, and I will take only 2 or 3. This is for the bottom, again you don't need the waves in bottom, and this is for the top, how much needs there. And now see, you can make object like this. Again, very easy way to create the object like this. And draw plus. Now we will just fit to the screen and move on to our next object, clock. I will just make it zoom on this object, clock. Either this is not a dynamic clock, matlab it's not change the time again like to your system time, but you can change your time like this. And by this slider, this is for the minute slider, and this is for the hours slider. You can change from this. Now we'll get another look for another object, smileys. It's another object, quick face. You can easily make smileys icon like this. It's a happiness, it's a sadness, you can control by the slider. Move on to our next object. It's a quick grid. If you want to make a book of mathematics and you need a transparent grid in your object, this is a very good object to making down the grid. From there you can increase down the number of rows, and by this slider you can increase the columns. Don't think that it's a table. It's not a table. Table is very different from the grid. uh, in the table there are rows, you can merge down the rows, you can split down the rows and columns, but there is no possibilities in grid. Fine, we'll take the another object, comb. Seems to look like a comb only, and see, this is the number of teeth you indeed, and the height, you can decrease the height also. And this another object is grill, is as same as the comb. This is our grill, quick grill. You can make how many grills you needed, 1 to 2 only, and by this you can increase decrease the things and height, and this all grill type. This slider is for grill type, what type of you grill needed. Move on to another object, it's an object of physics. By this you can increase the number of this and decrease, and this is the level, you can increase decrease the temperature level by this. Fine, take the another object, it's in 3D cylinder. How much the radius you needed or height like this, and this. If you'll be take the radius 0, it's like an 2D circle, and now it's in 3D cylinder. Just fit on the screen and take the another look on the our object, cube. Zoom the object. This is height for the cube, perspective version of your quick rectangular perspective version, quick cube. These are the object for our speech bubbles. You can take from where it's started and your text goes here. Now the speech for thinking, a person who is thinking your cartoon or your character will thinking from this and this, and from there you can increase the number of clouds also. This plus how many you needed, increase decrease by there. For the next one, it's an cloud only. Take the object and see this clouds. Move on to another object. It's an quick shape of quick corner. I will start from this. This is the width. You can increase decrease the width. This is the height. You can increase and decrease the height. And how it's bend like this, increase radius of the corner. If you don't want to bend it, see, it's bended object and it's not. And if you want to bend from there also, you can use this slider. Move on to another object, it's an T shape, quick T. Again there are 3 sliders. This is for the corners, you can see corners there. This is for the height. Now it's look like word T only, and this is for the thickness, width. You can see thickness of this portion or width of this portion. Now take the another tool. Seems look like be a plus sign, but it's rounded from there, so you can control corners, how much rounded, if not. Now it's look like a plus, and from there we can increase the height, and from there we can increase the width. And you can make the same object from the quick rectangular by sculpt. Just show this object and see, you can make from this also. So we move on the our another object, zoom to our another object. Our next object is moon, quick moon. This is the half shape of moon, you can control by this. And when we take the new file, see, there is keyframe animation, so you can make the animation like this, full moon to slantly little bit, half moon. Fine, we'll move on to another object. This is the shape of tear or drop of water. it's an quick tier. Another tool is quick web. You can control the web's sides from this slider, sides of web. From this slider you can control the rings, and from this slider you can control the angle. Now the last quick shape tool. From this you can control the points of this cog shape, COG. See, this is cog, quick cog. It's look like a gear. This is inner radius. You can control. Fine. This is the type. Which type we indeed? It's not an smooth slider. You just type 1, type 2, and type 0, and this is the gap between this to this. Just make it fit to screen. So this is enough for today class, and in our next session, in our session 3rd, we will learn the text tool and snapping objects, making a dashboard for snapping and the text tool. So thanks for the today's